Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the exact legal business name and the admin Google Ads account. This avoids mismatches later. Once done, open Policy Manager and choose Verification. Pick business or individual based on your setup. Make sure to gather a government ID, business registration, and a proof of address or bank statement. Scan them as clear PDFs or PNGs. Do this before you upload to prevent repeated rejections. It saves hours and reduces manual review delays. Now you upload documents into the verification flow. Select the exact field for each file so Google can auto-parse data. You should copy-paste names and addresses from your official registration into the form to avoid OCR errors. Make sure scans are high quality, around 300 dpi, not cropped, with all corners visible. This speeds automated checks. If an EIN or tax ID is required, highlight it in the file and choose the correct document type from the drop-down before submitting. Finally, review the verification summary line by line, correct any mismatched characters, and then submit. You'll typically see a decision within 3 to 7 business days. Check both email and Policy Manager for updates. If rejected, don't panic. Identify the reason, correct the specific field, and re-upload the exact document requested, adding a short explanatory note if allowed. One key troubleshooting tip: if name formatting causes failure, submit an auxiliary official document showing the alternate format to prove equivalence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.